Good day everyone. I am John Alger Mercado Nario, a grade 11 CSS student from Casiano Zina Pigit National High School. In this vlog, I will demonstrate a simple hardware and software troubleshooting in a computer. As a CSS student, it is important for us to know how to fix basic computer problems. For the hardware, I will demonstrate show the problem with a mouse and keyboard and how to fix it. For the software, I will demonstrate show how to use disk cleanup and check this to check cleanup and computer system. So these are simple troubleshooting steps that can help improve performance of a computer. Now let's start with a hardware demonstrate.
For the hardware part, the problem is that my mouse is not working. First, I checked the USB connection of the mouse. I noticed that USB was not properly inserted into the USB port. So what I did, I was remove the mouse cable and plug it again properly. After that, the mouse started working again. So next, the problem is the keyboard. When I press the case, it does not work. No matter what key I press, it still does not respond. So first I checked if the keyboard was not properly connected. Then I found out that it was not inserted correctly in the USB port. So I fixed the connection and plugged in properly. After that, the keyboard started working again. So now, let's proceed to the software troubleshooting. For the software part, I will demonstrate disk cleanup and check this. First is disk cleanup. This tool helps remove temporary files and unnecessary files in the computer. To do this, I search disk cleanup on the computer. Then I right click and run to program to clean. And we will wait until the scan is finished so the system can check and fix these errors. So next, we will delete the temporary files and 0-byte files. This helps scan disk, clean the disk and fix errors. So next is check disk. For check disk, let's search again chkey. Then right click and click yes to run the program. After that, we will wait for the process to finish. Then you can see if there are any disk errors. These tools help detect and fix this problem in the system.